The Boulies OP300 is an ergonomic chair built for comfort and durability. I'll set up or install the chair and go over the features it provides. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Taking it out of the box, we can see all the parts are wrapped in bubble wrap to prevent any damage during shipping. There aren't too many pieces or components to assemble, making this chair assembly really quick and simple. You should be able to do it by yourself without needing help from a second person. For me, it took about 10 minutes after unboxing the parts. Here's a look at the chair once it's fully assembled. It has a plain and simplistic design and does look nice. The version I have uses the padded mesh backrest, which is soft and breathable, but they do have the option for a non-padded mesh backrest, which provides even more breathability. As for the height of the backrest, it can be adjusted between 51 to 55 centimeters. The seat cushion feels nice and full, so it should provide a comfortable seating experience. The seat height can be adjusted between 49.5 to 58.5 centimeters, and the depth between 46 to 51.5 centimeters. The width of the seat is 52.5 centimeters. As for the headrest, it uses the same soft feel material. Taking a closer look at the headrest, it can be tilted to face higher or lower, lifted up or down from 18.5 to 21.5 centimeters, as well as pushed forward or pulled back with the rotating knob on the back. All this customization should provide every user with optimal comfort. Now when it comes to lifting or lowering the backrest, there are 5 different levels you can set it to with locks in between. To do so, just lift up the backrest and gently lower it back at a slight angle to get it seated and locked into the position you want. To lower it, just lift up again and lower it straight down. The backrest leans back and forth and isn't too tight or loose. It can also be locked to prevent it from leaning back by pulling down the lever to lock it. The seat can also lean back and forth and can be locked as well to prevent it from leaning back by pulling down the lever. As for the lever toward the front, it lowers and lifts the seat height. Now the backrest and seat can both also be locked in place when they're leaned back, providing you the option to lay slightly back and relax in the seat while watching a movie, reading a book, or just because. There is an additional lever on the other side, which allows you to adjust the seat depth to move it forward or back between 46 to 51.5 centimeters. Moving on to the armrests, they can be lifted up or down by pulling on the lock or latch, which is located underneath the armrest, and lifting or lowering the armrest. It can also pivot in or out, and move forward or back. If you're one who likes more room and feels like the armrests get in the way, you can just unscrew and remove them from the seat. The casters or wheels are nice and smooth and don't make too much noise when moving around. Overall, this is a comfortable chair which is well built and should last for a good while. Whether you need it for your work or office, or for gaming, this should definitely provide you the comfort during long periods of sitting. It's currently on sale for $289.99 US, which I think is well worth it for the quality and features this chair provides. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested in picking one up, and I'll see you in the next one.